Hello students. Students have requested me to make video on this topic where we are taking now numericals of chapter electricity of physics. So now we are going to take few numericals of this chapter one by one. So what is your first question? Calculate the heat produced when 96,000 coulombs of charge is transferred in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volts. So here what is given to you? We are given with charge, then we are given with time. Yes, so we know that if we are given with charge, that is Q. Yes, charge is given, time is given, charge is your 96,000 coulombs and time is your 1 hour. It means we can convert this into seconds, that is 60 multiplied by 60. So first you have to understand that what is asked. The question is calculate the heat produced. Yes. So what is the formula for that? Formula for that is I square RT. H means heat. Heat is equal to I square RT, or you can say VIT. That means V is equal to IR. One I is already there with you. So it will become I square RT. Yes. So now to find out I square RT, you must be knowing I, and we are not knowing that during the start of this numerical. So firstly we are going to find out the value of I, and we know that current I is equal to Q, that is charge divided by time. So we know that Q is equal to 96,000. We will keep this value and we will divide it by time given to you. That means time is 1 hour. 60 multiplied by 60. So when you divide this 96,000 with this 60 multiplied by 60, you can simply do the calculations and then you will be finding out that your I is equal to 26.67 ampere. I is always given in ampere. So what is the unit for current? It is ampere. So now we know Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, R, because now we have understood how to find out I, but to find out H we should know R also. I we have got. Now it is this step we are going to find out the value of R. R is your resistance. That is, we know V is equal to I R. So if we want to find out this R, the formula will become V upon I. So voltage is already given in the question, that is through a potential difference of 50 volts. Through a potential difference of 50 volts. So V is equal to 50. That means now it will come as numerator, and what is I you have just found out. So it is your 26.67. So with smart multiplication methods, you can find out the value of this R. So now this will become your 50 upon 26.67 equal to 1.87 ohm. So always remember resistance is given by this sign and it is your ohm. So now we have found out I also, R also. Now we can easily put these values into the final formula to find out that heat produced. So heat is equal to I square RT. So we will keep I square value, that is 26.67 raised to power 2 multiplied by R, that is 1.87 into 1 hour time was there. So it will become 60 into 60 because we write the values in seconds. Yes, the unit of time is your seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So now we will multiply these and we will find out this value, that is 4788400, that is and this will come in joules. Yes, and suppose if we want to find out our answer in kilojoules, so you must know the conversion that 1 kg, 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules. So you will simply divide this value by 1000 and your answer will be 4788.4 kilojoules. So this was your question number 1, where we have found out the value of heat produced. When what were the things given to you? One was your charge, second was your time, third was your potential difference. Yes, remember that heat is always written in which units? That is joules or kilojoules. Second thing, when it is your charge, it will come in coulombs, time will come in seconds, and potential difference will come in volts. So sometimes if you have any difficulty to find out what things are given to you, with the help of units also you can come to know that these things are given to you. So after this question, I want to tell everyone, till now if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it, like it, and do not forget to press the bell icon, so that, because if you do so, you will be notified timely whenever I will upload any new video. So this time is precious for you all because your exams are approaching. So see the things which you know, डेफिनेटली यू नो, जहां आप जानते हो, जो क्वेश्चन जानते हो वो आप भूलने वाले नहीं हो. बट वाई आई हैव टेकन ओनली न्यूमेरिकल्स? बिकॉज न्यूमेरिकल एक ऐसा पार्ट होता है जहां कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है. सो जो आपका लैकिंग पार्ट है, अगर आप उसको अच्छे से समझ लेते हो, सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट मार्क्स एट दोज प्लेसेस ऑल्सो. बिकॉज जो हमें आता है वो हमें आता है, वी कैन नॉट फॉरगेट दैट. उसमें हमारा फिनिशिंग नहीं होगा जब भी हम रिवाइज करेंगे. बट हमें मार्क्स वहां भी पाने जहां हमें नहीं आता, जहां हम उसको अटेम्प्ट नहीं करने वाले थे, अब हम उस क्वेश्चन को भी अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज माई वन स्मॉल इनिशिएटिव. यस, सो नाउ without wasting a single minute, we'll go to the second question now. What is your second question? So we'll just go to our second question. Your second question is, calculate the equivalent resistance. Okay, when two resistances of 3 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in parallel. So you know there are two formulas to find out resistances connected in parallel or in series. So here resistances are connected in parallel. Okay, one is of 3 ohm and another is your 6 ohm. So you know now that resistance is given in which units? It is given in your ohms. So resistance in parallel, what is the formula? That is 1 upon Rp. P means parallel. So resistance in parallel will be given to 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. R1 and R2, these are two resistances in parallel. R1 here it is your 3 ohm and R2 it is your 6 ohm. So now we are going to put these values. So it will become 1 upon R3 and here 1 upon R2 means 1 upon 6. So we know the calculation now. We can simply use LCM method to find out the answer. So LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6, and now here it will be 6 divided by 3 will be 2, 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2 ones are 2, 6 will be divided by 6, it will be 1, 1 1 the 1. So now 2 plus 1 will be 3 upon 6. So it is your 3, 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So answer is 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon 2. So if you cross multiply, it will become Rp 1 the Rp and 1 2 the 2. So your answer will become 2 ohm. That means resistance in parallel will be given to as 2 ohms. And here you can see How we can show it with the help of diagram? It means when we say parallel, so parallel lines are shown this way. So it means this is your 3 ohm, this is your 6 ohm, and these two things are in parallel. So this will be shown like this. So is this easy? Yes, same way if you have got any question related to resistances connected in series. So you are going to apply the formula for resistances in series. I'll try to take questions related to that also. Yes. So now till now we have done these two questions, and now we'll be moving on to the next question, that is our question number 3. What is your question number 3? How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulombs? So charge Q is 2, then work we have to find out from a point at 118 volts to a point at 128 volts. Okay, so now we will be seeing what are the steps to solve the question. So we know that potential difference, that is V, is equal to work done by charge moved from one place to another. So work done is given by W and charge moved is given by Q. So here potential difference means that final, yes, that is 128 volts minus 118 volts. It will be giving you potential difference of now 10 volts after subtraction. So it means here you have got V as 10 volts, Q you are already knowing 2 coulombs. You will simply keep the value V is equal to 10, W you do not know because you have to find out. Question is how much work is done, and coulomb, that means 2 charge. So W will become 10 to the 20 joules. So here you have to understand that work is given by work done is given by W and answer will always become as joules. Yes, then charge will be given in coulombs, potential difference will be given in volts. So you should be remembering that which units will relate to which things. Okay. So once you have understood these all things, then you will be able to relate units with the main thing like volts with potential difference, work done W with joules, charge coulombs. Yes. So this way you have to relate the things on the basis of given units. So you will understand what things are given to you, what things you need to find out. Yes. So these were 3 questions which we have taken today in our worksheet 1. So these are numericals of electricity chapter. Okay, hope you all have understood. जहाँ आपको छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम थी आप उन चीजों को समझ पाए हो, because I have tried my best to take from the starting basics. Okay, so this way I'll come with more videos. I'll be taking few more questions in upcoming worksheets. So God bless you everyone. Thank you all.